Well, hey there. I've got your astrological forecast and spiritual guidance for the week ahead, beginning today, Sunday, July the 26th already. Can you believe the summer is going by so quickly? This week's video is entitled Navigating Unknown Territory. Oh, yeah, you guys. Now, we've been talking about it. I've been blabbing it up for weeks, months, years. I've been doing this for 6 years now, talking about the big change coming as we shift from the Piscean age to the Aquarian age. I know we've heard songs about it in the 60s, some of us who are that old and like that, but this cycle is a 2,500 year cycle. This is really, really big stuff that's going on during our lifetime right now. And the cool thing is, as we all decided we wanted to be here for this right now, we are in the thick of it. There is no turning back. Listen to me. We can't pull answers out of the past to go forward. Last week, we talked about this incredible planetary connection with the outer planets called the Barboult basket. This portends great transformational changes on a personal, societal, and global level. Oh, hi there, Kitty. She's here to help me. And the universe is offering up opportunities to us to embrace and express our true, authentic self and our work. It started last week. It's going to continue on. So we have all kinds of incredible ideas coming in. We have all kinds of inspiration and motivation that take us into the direction of our true self and our work. But, oh yeah, this week our teachers are coming to test us. This week, the outer world is like, what the hell are you doing? That is just too weird. You're crazy. So the outer world's gonna trigger us and press our buttons this week. So this is a test, and to navigate our way forward into this unknown, well, first of all, we're going to take our soul toolbox with us, and we got a few more things to pack into it this week besides our 3 deep breaths and our Sun in Leo affirmation. I'm going to give us a few more tools to use this week to help us keep us aligned and balanced and centered so we don't allow this outer bullshit that continues, doesn't it? Oh my God, it just continues to compromise us, to compromise our truth. Last week we said we have to stand in our truth, regardless of how weird and risky it is. This week, today, we have Saturn going retrograde in Aries. And then this week on Wednesday, we have a full moon in Aquarius, along with the same day, an incredible connection between the Sun and Jupiter in Leo conjuncting each other. They're both holding the same space in the sky. So their energy cannot be separated at this point. It's together. And what this is all about is shining our light, our sun. It's the sun. And Jupiter says, shine our light, grow our light. That is the energy of this week. But like I said, we got all these Debbie Downer and poo-poo potty pants telling us what we want to do and the direction we are going is bonkers, stupid, you know, all their bullshit they're going to pile on us to try to take us off course, to try to take our power. This is the time to take back our power and use it consciously to create the life that we want, the life of our dreams. And as I have said over and over and over and over and over again, we are divine. Abundance, it's our heritage. We can have and do anything we want if we just allow the universe to work through us instead of trying to control and make things happen without being balanced and aligned. So this week, number one, you keep our soul toolbox with us with our 3 deep cleansing breaths. We may need them when the outer world is coming at us with all their skepticism and bullshit. We need our Sun and Leo affirmation to remind us of who we are this week. And then I have also 3 more tools for us to really pay attention to this week so we can keep ourselves on the track moving forward, even though we don't know where the hell we're going and how long it's going to take there. But we have faith in our true selves. We have faith in the guidance of our celestial support system. I mean, we got so much support, you guys. It's so much support. It's unbelievable. We just have to tap into it, which is one of the reasons for the daily quiet and centering in our sacred space. And we need to be doing that every single day. The answers aren't outside of ourselves. They're not there anymore. The answers are all right here. Just like the Soul Sister channel, like the keynote of the Soul Sister channel. Life is lived, you guys, from the inside out. We have to get to it. We have to get to it. Come on. So number one tool this week, what is my motivation? When I make a choice this week, is it coming from my true authentic self? Or am I compromising myself to be accepted, to fit in, to get something in the future? Know where we're coming from. Know our motive. Are we coming from love, abundance, and gratitude? Or are we coming from unworthiness, fear, and lack? We better figure out the difference. And if we want to successfully move forward, we know we have to come from love, abundance, and gratitude. Not only is it our spiritual quest, it's a simple fact. What we put out comes back to us, you guys. It's energy. What we put out, we attract more in return. So if we are putting out anything from love, abundance, and gratitude, what are we going to get back? Huh? Love, abundance, and gratitude, more. And in sub-traditions, religious traditions, we get 10 times love, abundance, and gratitude. Bring it on, baby. However, if we make a decision this week out of unworthiness, fear, and lack, guess what we're going to get? More of. Oh, yeah. So, number one, be clear about our motives in making any decision this week. Number two, it's my favorite. Number two, boundaries. Oh my God. We are challenged in this area, are we not? Oh my God. People bleeding over into my boundaries. Sometimes I got to bleed over into your boundaries, and we don't protect our boundaries. We compromise ourselves. Example, biting off more than we can chew. And with the Sun conjunct Jupiter and Leo, that is definitely a possibility this week. So biting off more than we can chew because we want to help, we want to fit in, we want people to like us, blah, blah, blah. We want to be loved. That's usually the bottom of everything. We want to be loved. When we know, again, we have to love ourselves first. If we don't love ourselves first, we can't love or receive love from anyone else. Just say it. little on my nose. So, anyway, be very clear about who we are and where we would like to go. Because again, the outer world is out there testing us this week. Oh, you don't need that boundary. You can do this, that, you can do it all. You can do it all. So we bite off more than we can chew, and then we're screwed. We screw ourselves. We haven't set our boundary of knowing what we can and cannot do physically, realistically. That's just one example. We compromise ourselves because we're unworthy, usually. So please pay attention. Please pay attention to our boundaries and make sure we hold true to them. When we hold true to our boundaries, we get respect, and we respect others, and they respect us even more. Hold our boundaries. And the third thing I'd like us to do this week, since we're having this global transformation, is that, okay, we got these folks out there, those poo-poo potty pants, Debbie Downers, telling us, raining on our parade. But you know what, you guys? There are those out there who are excited about the direction we're going. There are those out there that want to support and nurture us. There are those out there that are like-minded. So this week, our third tool is that we're going to find those people. We're going to find our tribe. We're going to put the antenna out, and we're going to allow the universe to bring us our people. Or if we find an organization or a group we'd really like to be part of because it supports and nurtures us, then let's go do it. This is a great week to connect with community. So there it is. We're in it. Woohoo! We signed up for this. Woohoo! And we all have our unique role to play in this incredible transformation of energy. So we got to get off our asses and get to it now. So this week, hold true to self. This week, we're going to make sure we keep our sacred space. Oh yeah, I haven't forgot it. We're going to meditate or quiet and center every day. We're going to honor the other by listening. We're going to honor ourselves by listening. Our intuition is running rampant. It's giving us all kinds of information, inspiration, motivation, but we freaking gotta be listening. So we got that. Listen to our intuition will come in through synchronicities. Our body will get all butterfly, or it'll get all creepy. Ooh, pay attention, and remember, why am I making this decision? What is my motivation? Am I coming from love, abundance, and gratitude, or unworthiness, fear, and lack? Be clear about that. Set our boundaries, hold our boundaries, honor our boundaries. If we don't take phone calls after 9 o'clock, we frickin' don't take phone calls after 9 o'clock. Call me back tomorrow. Set our boundaries and hook up with people that are like us. Hook up. We got some organization out there we've been thinking about joining. Let's do it. Let's grow our community. So that is the week ahead. Let's begin it by taking some of those tools out of our soul toolbox. Let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths, then we'll say our Sun in Leo affirmation. Let's take our first deep cleansing breath. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, negativity, toxicity, all that nastiness. We see it flowing out of our bodies. I visualize it flowing out as dark black squares out the bottom of my feet, going back to wherever it came from. In its place, then, I see my body being filled with this incredible light, this white light, made up of white light, love, and goodwill. Not only does it fill my entire body, it's also protecting me. It's deflecting all that evil, all that low vibration, all that toxicity back to wherever it came from. And like I say, hope it didn't come from us because we're going to get bit in the butt. Okay. Now, while we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we will say our Sun and Leo affirmation. I am the ruler of my world. I choose to rule with love, abundance, and gratitude. We'll say the affirmation, we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for just 5 seconds. But you know I'm going to say next, when we're in our sacred space, quiet and centering, come on, guys, give it 5 minutes. Can you do it? Can you give our higher self 5 minutes a day? I think we can. Let's say the affirmation together. I am the ruler of my world. I choose to rule with love, abundance, and gratitude. Man, and if we can keep coming back to us, that, like I always say, the deep breaths and the affirmation tend to just bring us right back into alignment and centering and balance. That's what I meant to say, balance and alignment, so that we can address whatever it is ahead of us from our soul, love, abundance, and gratitude, and not our ego, unworthiness, fear, and lack. Then we can honor our true self. We can honor our work. Okay, that's it. Oh, shoot, and I forget the most important tools to add to our soul toolbox. Don't forget these tools. Don't do it. Don't do it. What's our motivation? Are we coming from love, abundance, or gratitude, or are we coming from unworthiness, fear, and lack? Are we? Which is it? Honor our boundaries and connect with like-minded people. That's our quest this week. And if we work on with all this energy, we will be that much further along creating the life of our dreams. I'm not kidding. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational messages that help keep us balanced, aligned, and connected to our higher self during the day. And I also like to post interesting memes that have a different perspective, make us think outside the box. Also, my memes give us guidance and direction if we're feeling a little lost. Don't forget to check out the Soul Sister channel videos that come out every Sunday at 10 a.m. I take the astrological energy of the week ahead and share with you how we can use this energy consciously to create the life we want. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It means a lot to me and the growth of the channel. And one more thing, one more ask. Don't forget the keynote of the Soul Sister channel. It's muy importante. Life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week. Woo! Here we go. We will overcome. We will navigate the unknown successfully this week. Namaste.